If you've been thinking about protecting your retirement savings, but gold and silver just don't feel like enough, what if you could take it a step further with something even rarer? Platinum? Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process to roll over your IRA into a platinum IRA so you can diversify your portfolio in a way most retirees don't even know is possible. Right now, economic uncertainty is pushing many retirees to rethink their investment strategies. Inflation is unpredictable, banks are shaky, and stock markets keep swinging wildly. That's why a platinum IRA rollover could be a powerful tool, not just for growth, but for protecting your nest egg from volatility and unexpected market crashes. Here's how it works. First, you start by choosing a custodian who offers self-directed IRAs that allow precious metals like platinum. Not all custodians do this, so picking the right one is crucial. They're the ones who handle your account and make sure everything stays compliant with IRS rules. Next, you'll open your new self-directed IRA account. This is where your existing IRA or 401k funds will move into. Once that's set up, you request a direct rollover from your current retirement account. This step is key because a direct rollover avoids taxes and penalties that happen if you take the money out yourself. After your funds land in the self-directed IRA, you direct the custodian to purchase platinum coins or bars approved by the IRS. Remember, platinum has to meet certain purity standards, just like gold and silver, to qualify. The physical metals are stored in an IRS-approved depository for security and compliance. Why platinum? It's less common in IRAs, meaning fewer people invest in it, which can be an advantage when markets get unpredictable. It also has unique industrial uses that may drive demand differently than gold or silver. Adding platinum to your retirement mix can be an important way to spread risk across different asset classes. Here's the big takeaway. A platinum IRA rollover isn't just for wealthy collectors or industry insiders. It's a real strategy that American retirees with $100,000 or more in their IRAs or 401ks can use right now to protect their savings and keep options open in an uncertain economic climate. If you've worked hard all your life to build your retirement, this is about keeping that hard work safe for you and your family's future, not gambling on risky investments or trusting one asset alone. If you want the complete free Platinum IRA guide and a no-pressure educational call to see if this strategy fits your unique situation, just check the first link in the description. No silver bullet sales gimmicks here, just honest, one-on-one education to help you decide if a Platinum IRA rollover is right for you. Your retirement is too important to leave to chance, so take control today.